Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're making a delicious pre-cooked pizza, soft and crispy, ready to be topped with your favorite ingredients. Let's discover it together. For this recipe, you'll need 400 milliliters of warm water and 8 grams of fresh yeast. Crumble the yeast into the water and stir to dissolve it. Add a teaspoon of sugar to activate the yeast. It'll help it wake up. For this pizza, I'm using Caputo flour, the cloud type, which is fantastic for pizzas. You'll need 500 grams. Pour the flour into a bowl, then add the yeast mixture. Mix it with a ladle until it starts coming together. Now add 2 teaspoons of fine salt and knead until the salt's fully worked into the dough. It should look smooth and soft like this. Next, add 3 teaspoons of olive oil. Knead it one more time. Clean the bowl thoroughly as you go. Look at how soft this dough is. This flour is spectacular. If you've never tried it, trust me, it's delicious. Now cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, knead it again. Take the dough and fold it like a croissant, making 6 to 8 folds. Cover it with plastic wrap once more and let it rest for another 30 minutes. Grease your hands with a little oil, then knead again in a cross shape, turning it for 6 to 8 folds. Look at this dough. It's so soft, it's a real pleasure to work with. I'm curious. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used this type of flour. Put the plastic wrap back on and let it rest for 3 hours or until it doubles in size. And here it is. Look how beautiful it's become. It's risen so much, light as a cloud and incredibly soft. Sprinkle some flour on your work surface and tip the dough out. Add a nice dusting of flour on top, then use a spatula to divide it into 2 equal parts. See how tender it is? Look at that texture. Starting from the center, use your hands to gently spread the dough out. I'll add a bit more flour because it's so tender. Check out those bubbles, friends. What a sight! There you go. Our first dough is ready. Now, let's do the same with the second one. Spread it out, press those bubbles gently. I bet you've got pizza-loving friends. Share this video with them, you'll make their day. Cover both doughs with a cloth and let them rest for 20 to 30 minutes. While they're resting, I'll prep the toppings. I'm cutting some cherry tomatoes and mozzarella. The dough's had its final rise. Look at it. So elastic and soft. Take one. Place it on baking paper and shape it however you like. It's that flexible. Put half of it on a baking rack and pre-cook it at 250 degrees Celsius on the lower shelf for 5 minutes. While that's in the oven, I'll prep the second pizza. The first base is done. Perfectly pre-cooked. Let's top it with our tomato sauce for the first part, and after we can add the mozzarella for a classic margherita. Now add some fior di latte mozzarella and a drizzle of olive oil. And it's ready to go. For the second pizza, we're doing something special, a spinach cream topping. Blend 100 grams of baby spinach with 4 tablespoons of Parmesan, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Once your cream is ready, spread it on, then add mozzarella, fior di latte, some creamy gorgonzola, and those cherry tomatoes. I used sweet gorgonzola, but you could use the spicy one if you like. Bake this one at 250 degrees for 7 minutes on the lower middle shelf. Here's the first pizza, soft, crispy, and fragrant. You could leave it as it is, or you could add some crudo di Parma, rucola, and Parmesan, like in our case. Simple and delicious. Now let's bake the second one. Look at that golden crust. It's so inviting. This pizza deserves a like, friends. And here's the second one. Try this spinach and gorgonzola combo. It's truly special with a unique flavor. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Hit that button, like the video, and ring the bell so you don't miss my next post. This recipe's great because you can prep the bases in the afternoon. Then at dinner, just season them with your favorite flavors and bake for 7 minutes. Easy, quick, and so tasty. You'll never need to order pizza again. Let me know in the comments what you think of this recipe. And check out how nicely it's risen inside. If you try the gorgonzola one, tell me. It's phenomenal, special, and absolutely delicious. Look at this crust. Crisp outside, soft inside, light as air. Gorgeous. My dear friends, stick around. I'll leave you with some recommended videos at the end. Don't miss them. Bye for now and see you in the next recipe.